Hey everybody. So building off the last video about food healers, what is Homo Ahimsa? What is it? Homo Ahimsa, I think it means different things to different people. So this is just my personal take and no disrespect to Judy Carmen, the author of the book by the same title, Homo Ahimsa, who we really are and how we will save the world. I love the book title and the subtext. I haven't read the book yet. It's on its way. And I know Silas has used the term quite a bit. What it means to me is an evolutionary leap from our current state as Homo sapiens to Homo Ahimsa. How would I characterize Homo Ahimsa? Well, first of all, think of like an ant colony, but made of humans, right? And you know how like in an ant colony, each ant is completely selfless, and there's no such thing as hoarding at the level of the individual ant. There's no like private property. This is my part of the ant hill and that's yours, and let's build fences between them. I mean, it's just totally absurd. And except in the case of Homo Ahimsa, humanity as ant colony, we're not just looking out for the interests of our own particular ant colony or human colony. We're looking out for all life on Earth. So we truly become the caretaker species. And so fundamentally same biology. It's not like we're going to, evolve biologically. Of course, that happens anyway in the background, but it's a very, very slow process. We urgently need to make the evolutionary leap to Homo Ahimsa, where we operate as a colony. Now, how are we going to do that? The things that I'm focused on, there's a lot of elements to do it and a lot of envisioning for how it can happen and should happen and will happen. And I believe that humanity can and should actively participate in the design process, designing Homo Ahimsa. How are we going to treat each other, walk the earth, become the caretaker species, etc. And that's actually controversial. Some people just say, no, let Creator do it. We just set the intention and let Creator figure out the how. I think we need to get actively involved in co-creating the what and the how do we get there? How do we make the evolutionary leap? Speaking of how we make the evolutionary leap, I actually see food healers as the first stage of the evolutionary leap, getting to a place where everyone in the colony, all of the, Homo sapiens that make up the colony of Homo Ahimsa, the planetary colony, I mean, like literally all of humanity making the leap together to Homo Ahimsa. I see food healers as the first step, feeding everyone and ending the harm of animals through animal agriculture. So that we're all eating nutritious, delicious, plant-based foods. Simple as that. Once we've achieved that kind of next plateau, then everything else becomes much easier, whether it's housing, healthcare, transportation, internet, libraries, volunteer activities, work activities, et cetera, become much easier. So I see food healers as the first stage in this evolutionary leap to Homo Ahimsa, and we'll be talking quite a bit about Homo Ahimsa tomorrow during the block party. So we'll see you there. Come join the conversation. Thank you.